eyes are glowing, and the tentacles and maps with planets with exits through them. Ah!
Front, that's enough. Don't make Mommy take away your Streisand collection.
Mom, can you leave Barbara out of this?
Welcome to the garage. Well, I'm completely lost.
Hiya, Grandpa.
Hey, Aunt Billy. Louis and me are looking for the garage.
Okay, Gaston. My toy train's ready for you. Choo-choo on this.
Good night, Esther.
Good night, Lloyd. Lloyd? Lloyd Spoon, you jump out and scare me, and I'm gonna pepper spray you again. I swear it's like I work with toddlers. Sweet Sister Frances, what did you do to my new truck?
You hold on right there! Oh, golly, Esther!
Both you boys need serious help.
Spicy eyes!
Wait, Stella!
Going up!
Billy!